back to the channel. Today I'm doing a graduation makeup look, which is this look over here. I tried my best to use as many drugstore products as possible, but because I don't film at home, I film in a studio, so I actually forgot to bring some of them. I'm so sorry. If you're interested to find out more about the drugstore dupes and things that I would recommend from the drugstore, you can check out the description box below. And without further ado, let's keep watching. So I'm first starting with a primer. I'm gonna be using this Laneige two-tone, I can't remember what it is called, because you want your makeup to last all day and you want it to be nice in photos because it's gonna be your big day and you're gonna have a lot of photos taken with your friends and your family. So I'm just applying this all across my face. I like this because it is very simple to apply. It's just in a stick form and it helps to adhere to your skin really well and make your makeup last quite long as well. Then I'm gonna go in with my Dear Dahlia skin cushion. I know it's not easy to get hold of this, but if you shop online, you can get it from this shop called Body Food Co in Singapore. I really like this because it has a semi-matte finish. So one cushion that I would recommend from the drugstore that is really good is the Maybelline Gigi Hadid cushion. I know that it's limited edition, but I heard that whatever is in the Gigi Hadid line is actually like existing products, just that they are kind of repackaged to suit her brand. So it's really good to find a foundation that you have always used. Don't try and use like a new foundation right on the day itself because you don't know how it's gonna last on your skin, you don't know whether it will oxidize. Just basically want to be sure that you're using something that you know you look good in. If you have troubled skin or oily skin, the L'Oreal Infallible foundation is also a really good option. Then we'll go in with a concealer. You guys know how much I love my 3 Concept Eyes concealer. You can find 3CE, you know, of course in Korea or in Sephora. It is not super pricey, so this concealer lasts me for like, I don't know, 6 months and I use it every single day and it's only, I think, $20. So if you want a really good drugstore alternative, you can also go for the L'Oreal True Match, which kind of has a similar consistency, which is very light, very good for brightening up the entire face. Just that I prefer this over the True Match because it dries faster. It doesn't budge as much as the True Match, but you know, if you can't get hold of this, you can try the True Match. So next, we are gonna set our entire face with loose powder, and I'm gonna use this one from Mina because Mina is actually a pretty good brand that just recently came into Singapore and it's very affordable. So most of the things are max, like slightly above $20. So this loose powder, I'm just loading it out on a kabuki brush and just patting it into my skin because we want to really like set it and not let it run about because we want it to be super long lasting. Then we'll go on with our brows. So I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Miniso. This is only $3.90 and I've been using it every single day. Love it. So I'm just kind of creating like a slight arc onto my brows. You want to look elegant and confident because it is your big day. Remember to always brush out the fronts of your brows and not put too much product there unless you don't have enough hair. But if you have hair, I would recommend you guys to just fill up 2/3 of your brows and use the leftovers on a brush to kind of just spoolie it in. Then you'll want to set your brows. I'm using the Etude House Brow Mascara. Just very lightly filling in and kind of making like the colors blend more seamlessly into each other. I'm gonna go in with eyeshadow. I'm very sorry because I forgot to bring my Maybelline eyeshadow palette, which I really wanted to show you guys. So I'm gonna go in with my Modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills palette as usual. So first I'm gonna start with Warm Taupe, which is a matte brown color with a cool undertone. Just applying it all across your eye socket, like so. I also like to use this and kind of slightly define the nose a little bit. I'm going with pink color. This is Buon Fresco. And I'm gonna go in with this color, which is called Red Ochre, which is on the outer third of your eyelid. And last but not least, go in with a matte dark brown color. Very gently like pop it right at the outer corners and blend in circular motions. So taking a matte white shade, just using this one over here, highlight your underbrow, your inner corners, and I just want to dust a little bit at the center of my eyelids. I'm gonna line my eyes. I would use my Cleo Gel Espresso, but I'm waiting for it to come in the meal because I finished it. So just gonna use like a replacement. I don't really like this. This is the one from Code, the Face Shop, but basically you get the idea. Just use a brown gel liner. I'm gonna go in with a pair of falsies. This is the number 6 from Aritaum. It looks like this. So one very important thing is to always have your eyelash glue in your bag because you don't know when your eyelashes will start to pop out. So when it comes to contouring, I would highly suggest you to go for a good non-drugstore contour because I haven't really found like a really good dupe. So I'm just gonna use my Benefit Hoola. So you wanna go kind of heavy-handed on this, but not too much. I feel that when it comes to photos, contour makes the world of a difference. So you wanna find a powder that is suited to your skin tone and it's easy to blend in, so that you get to blend it properly. Do my nose contour, just very gently. Now that our eyes are kind of done, what I want to do is I want to curl my lashes with the falsies and apply mascara. So mascara time! Using my favorite one from Heroine Make. Apply it a little bit and kind of attempt to stick the two lashes together. So if you're not a fan of the Heroine Make mascaras, Maybelline makes really good mascaras as well. L'Oreal as well, the L'Oreal Telescopic Lash is also one of my favorites for many years. I feel that we're kind of missing something in the inner corners, so I have no choice. I really have to use my glitter eye pencil. Just popping it really little. For cheeks wise, I'm gonna use this one from K palette. This is the Lasting Cheek Tint. I like this because it is not only affordable, but it's also really long lasting and the color is quite flattering for most skin types. So you can use your fingers or just your brush. Last but not least, let's go with the lips. I'm using this one from Clinique. I know it's not drugstore again, but like I said, it's really just the color. Just kind of dab some on my cheeks. Let's not forget to set our face with a setting spray. So what you have to do is you need to fan it off like ASAP. Alright, so our makeup look is complete. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. It's a really simple one, and once again, so sorry for not bringing some of the drugstore products that I promised that I would, but I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial nonetheless and learned a little bit about how to create a makeup look that's suitable for your graduation day. I hope you enjoy your graduation day. It is your big day, and congratulations to all of you guys who are graduating. I know it's very daunting and it's gonna be a new phase in life. It's gonna be a lot of bittersweet moments. Whether or not you're certain about what are your next steps, I really wish you all the best of the happiness that you can get in this entire world. I hope you recreate this look and having this look on would make you feel more confident and happy about reaching a milestone in your life. subscribe, like and share, and speak to me in the comments. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!